Hello all, this is Prakash and I am studying BTech 4th year CSC at Bennett University and I have done my summer internship at Quadwave Technologies, which is located at Bangalore, and it is a software based company, and they given a project titled Leave Management, which develops a leave request workflow for the schools or colleges. Basically, if a student or the lecturer requests for a leave to the principal, then the principal will approve or the reject that leave request. Likewise, uh, the principal will gets an email notification when the student or the lecturer requests an leave request form. In the upcoming slides, I will show my problem statement and proposed solution for this project. Project title Leave Management is to develop leave request workflow for the schools or colleges. This connects student and faculty members through online mode and provides easy communication. So we have developed this project using company's web portal, which has technology like rapid application development, which enables quickly drag and drop utilize your functionalities uh, to work an app in an easy way. So, and also we have used MySQL Workbench to connect the database with the server. So coming to the problem statement given by the company is that we have to develop a workflow for the leave management, and the roles should be assigned as students, HOD, principal and lecturer, and the requirements is that we have to do student is applying leave workflow, and lecturer or HOD is applying leave workflow and grid list and dashboard workflow. So in the upcoming slides I will show the example. So solution is that from the given problem statement given by the company, we have created 4 process flows in order to communicate with each other. These 4 process flows as its own purpose to fulfill the leave management project. So moreover, to store the details of the end users, we have created a database that includes creating, storing, fetching as per user needs. So we have handled one main process flow and 3 sub process flows. Following details are the mentioned below. First one is applying leave request, and it is a main process flow, and principal approval is a sub process flow, and grid list is a sub process, and the dashboard is sub process. So first one, coming to the first main process flow, it is applying leave request. So start node is to start the task. So this request task enables, if any student or HOD is applying leave, then the data will be inserted in the MySQL workbench, and then it just sees the rule to whom this form to be sent. Like if uh, if student want to communicate with the lecturer, then it will go to the approval form to the lecturer or to the principal. So then after approval form will be get accepted or rejected, and this approval status will be updated in the database. And likewise, if the status will be if the approval form approved, then it will be going to end the task. And coming to the approval form, it is a sub process of the main process flow. So the start node is to start, obviously. So the approve reject form just is main functionality is that if accepts the principal approval, then the DB will be updated. If the reject form is rejected, then the DB will be updated like rejected. So this is a grid list in which if a student or lecturer or the principal can see their leave requests. If you student it will ask select your type to see the status of the leave request. If you select student, then the student's leave request grid list will be appeared. Likewise, for a dashboard, this dashboard this page is only accessed for the principal. So principal has a special access to see the approval count per month, to see the intensity of the how many are leaving on each day analysis. Principal can see that analysis and act accordingly. Thank you.